Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Well, today's news is about the weather. Yes, the weather. Well, remember all that snow that you saw a few weeks ago? Well, look at what happened. It's raining. It is raining in this particular time right now. It's raining right now. Like the water is coming down all over the place. See? You see the little drops of water. Cars are just flying by. Yeah. Well, remember the trees that you saw that looks really weird last week? Look what happened. This is what happened in the winter. The weather change. Yeah. It is raining. It's cold. And the trees look like they're dead. But they're not. They're actually hibernating. So yeah. Weather report. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, leave a message. Thank you for supporting me. It's a lot of rain coming down today. Rain coming at you at 3:28 p.m. It is raining. Wow.